Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude, Fillet, Extrude to cut, and hold. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the right plane, and the right plane will be here. Okay. And we'll make a sketch like this. We have the dimensions here, the distance here, 20 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between these two edges here, 150 millimeters. And the distance here, 60 millimeters. And the distance here, 15 millimeters. Okay. Here will be the midpoint. So open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 60 millimeters, another line here with 20 millimeters, close the sketch here. Okay, go to sketch dimension, the distance here is 150 millimeters, and the distance here is 15 millimeters, okay? We made this, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 8 millimeters. So go to Extrude, the direction, select symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 8 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this, okay. Now, let's make this fillet here in the corner with 20 millimeters of radius. And this fillet here with 50 millimeters of radius, okay? So go to modify, select fillet. The type here, select fillet, select this edge and this edge. The fillet here is 20 millimeters of radius. Add selection set, select this edge here and this one. The fillet here is 50 millimeters of radius. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now let's create this two slot here. This arc here of the slot is concentric with this arc here of the fillet, and the same to this side, okay? And this slot has 90 millimeters by 20 millimeters. So let's create this. So go to create a sketch, select this face, and go to create and select slot, center to center slot. Search for the center of this arc, okay? 90 millimeters here. And the distance here is 20 millimeters. Make another one here on this side, 90 millimeters here, and 20 millimeters here. Okay, go to sketch dimension, the distance here 90 millimeters, the distance here 90 millimeters, okay. If it is not concentric, you need to select this arc, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this arc, and go to constraints and select concentric, okay. Now finish the sketch. We needed to make this cut, so go to Extrude, select this two profile here, and the extended type, select all, and operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. Now we needed to create this two hole here. This two hole here has 15 millimeters of diameter, and it is concentric with this arc, okay. So here go to hold and select this face here, select this arc, and the extend, select all, and the diameter here is 15 millimeters, okay. Make the same to the other side, select this face, select the hole, this face, this arc, and the extend, select the all, the diameter 15 millimeters, the reference is this arc here, and press OK. We made this, OK. Now press letter A in the keyboard, add the color here, black, I will select this inside face here of this slot and this hole. I will select the yellow color here. So we made this. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.